Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing HomeTowne Studio Indianapolis. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms, facilities for disabled guests, 24-hour front desk and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Just off Interstate 74, within driving distance of central Indianapolis, Indiana, this motel offers a wireless internet access for a small fee. HomeTowne Studios Indianapolis features free morning coffee and coin laundry facilities. Guests will also enjoy expanded cable channels and free local calls at this pet-friendly property. A variety of things to do and see are available minutes from the HomeTowne Studios Indianapolis. Guests can explore the Children's Museum or see a race at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway within a short drive from the motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.